Eyeshadow made easy. Okay, you want to start with a light, medium, and a dark shadow. I have Crunchy's Faux Suede, Allure, and Curiosity. Let's start with the medium shade, and I'm just using this fluffy blender brush I love. It's the number 9 brush by Crunchy, and I'm just going to rock it back and forth in the crease and then roll up above the crease. So rock back and forth in the crease and then roll. So we're doing a rock and roll motion on the crease and just above it. There's our lighter shade, Curiosity, and the number 7 brush. So I'm just gonna pack on this lighter color all over the eyelid to really just help brighten things up. This is such a pretty shade because it's nice and shimmery. If you sweep the color on, it's gonna be more sheer, but if you dab it like you see me doing, you're gonna get the true color pigment of it. And then you can take whatever's left on your brush and just sweep it up a little bit, like that. All right, so onto our darker shade, and I'm back to that fluffy blender brush. So always tap off the excess, and I'm just doing a V shape in the outer corner. So slightly in the crease and then along the lashes, like a V. And then I'm gonna dust off that brush just to get that excess dark color out of there and use that brush to blend all the colors together so you don't have any harsh lines. And there you have it, a simple, pretty look.